What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me yet again for a quick video. Just lock the door here. Check out that GTI representing. So today I am gonna do a little video for a subscriber, well, for everybody, but it was just a request from a subscriber. They wanted to see how, make sure this is in my face, how the Becker Downpipe sounded with the resonated delete. So I just wanted to make a quick video on it. You probably realize that the quality is a little bit better, is maybe a little bit more depth of field on here. So yeah, that's because I'm rocking my new pancake lens on the Sony NEX5T that I had sitting for like ever and never used. So I've got my GoPro equipment here right now. Close the door. Got my GoPro equipment. I'm gonna mount this up in the back bumper somewhere, and then I'm gonna carry this camera around inside so that way we can kind of chat while you guys listen to the exhaust. So far, I'm very happy with it. I love how it sounds, and I wanted to show you guys how it sounds. So let's get to it. So that's all set up. Let's just, kind of turn on the car and get to driving. Make sure that my JB4 Bluetooth is on so I can check my boost levels. And yeah, that's it. So let's crank her up. Pancake lenses suck for getting things from far away because there's no zoom, but I hope that was good enough for you guys, to kind of get a glimpse of what my exhaust sounds like. Hope you guys enjoy. I took some pictures while I was here because there's a really cool, like, sort of abandoned little parking lot space with like some trees behind it and gates. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy the pictures.